Hello viewers, this is Vizzac Laser, a machinery selling company. This video is about a top camera laser cutting machine. This video can be separated into 5 segments. 1. Precision cutting. 2. High speed. 3. Reduced setup time. 4. Quality control. 5. Improved workflow. Let's move on with these segments. 1. Precision cutting. These machines use advanced cameras to accurately identify the position and edges of the material being cut. This allows for precise cutting and produces a satisfying finishing in the material. With this easy operational machines, the human workflow is reduced wisely by 1. 2. High speed. With the help of the top camera system, these machines can operate at high speed. This increases productivity and efficiency in manufacturing processes. 3. Reduced setup time. The camera system helps in aligning the material automatically by capturing. This reduces setup time and makes the machine easier to use, even for operators with minimal experience. 4. Quality control. The top camera system can inspect the quality of cuts in real time, identifying any defects or errors. This enables operators to make immediate adjustments, ensuring consistently high-quality output. 5. Improved workflow. Integration with computer software allows for easy design importation and manipulation. This streamlines the workflow and enables quick adjustments to designs without significant downtime. It is easy to work with top camera laser cutting machine. For more details, contact 887-0015355 or send us your consideration to vizaclasers@hotmail.com.